close the door behind you, please?
Yeah.
You want a beer? About a year now since I took the job here. They provide the house, makes things easier. How long you lived in LA?
10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, 10 years.
Well, you know, I always wanted to go to LA. Never made it down there for some reason. What's it like? Is it nice?
Yeah, I mean, it's okay.
Swimming pools, movie stars, that sort of thing?
Yeah, no,
No?
not really. No.
Oh, well.
So this is part of a ranch?
Yeah.
What are you doing on the ranch?
Herd cattle.
What's that like?
Tiring. Well, that's a job.
How long have you been doing it?
Almost my whole life.
Mm.
My father was a rancher. His too. Started doing this when I was like, I don't know, 9, 10 years old, something like that. That's all I ever knew. I never even considered doing anything else. Might not have a choice anymore, though.
Or why was that?
All these places are modernizing. You don't need as many hands when you do that.
Mm.
Hell, they don't need us. Last place I was at did the same. They cut half the crew in the first week. A few weeks later, cut down 90%. Relic, I guess, kind of a cowboy's kind of a thing of the past, you know. Sometimes, yeah, I feel like just another one of those cattle, just following the herd.